Okay.
I'm about to curse.
Cause I'm a girl.
Oh, you about to curse, really?
Yeah, I'm about to curse. Y'all just call
Only
me.
girls
Y'all
drink
said
out
I
of
don't
straws,
listen.
and I drink out of a straw. So that's my cup.
Come on in, guys. We got my daughters came up from New Jersey. They are making us dinner tonight.
I almost cut my finger, y'all.
Janet's making something.
I'm helping.
Oh, isn't that nice? That's so cute the way you cutting.
I'm cutting little tiny.
You cut like a little baby. You cut like a baby, Jen.
Alright, this
Yeah.
is
Look,
chicken.
Courtney's over there sitting.
You
What
want to tell
happened?
them what we're making or no?
Oh,
We're
okay.
making chicken tacos with yellow tortillas.
Yellow tortillas.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that? Corn?
Yeah, right there. Yellow sugar,
Okay.
yellow corn tortillas. This is what we're making.
Boom.
And this is the ingredients you need. You need baby arugula.
Maybe arugula.
You can use a bag fresh, not fresh, but bag black beans. I use mine in a can. You can use regular sour cream. I use light. Italian mix. You can use regular sharp cheddar. That's just fine.
Mexican, you mean?
Sorry, Mexican.
You said Italian?
I'm saying Italian because they act like it's zombies outside, it's apocalypse, and they have no meat. So we had to buy pre-seasoned chicken that I had to rinse. So don't do that. Buy regular chicken if you can. If you not, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. Cilantro, salsa verde. You need, as my dad called them, avocados. Because he's going to be making that. I'm not. And then we have lime. Yeah, you are. You're making it. I don't know why he acting new. Because you're live.
All right, let's get you guys share.
If anybody's watching this,
Because sharing is caring, but we're going to start getting our theme song playing so we can jam up in this
Oh,
place
snap. I heard it one time.
and get it
Play
going.
for me,
Well, guess
Shorty.
what?
I'm about to be out here. I'm about to do
About
that.
to go.
Michael Jackson was up.
Really?
She was dumb. She was dumb. I know she did.
You a hater.
Yeah, it's funny, man.
You a hater. I'm gonna hit the robot no matter what. I know.
Over here. Oh. I'm sorry. I have to make a devil theme song go on. Oh, I actually like it. I don't know.
Well, we could
Okay, thank you for the dancing on that.
On the stove, we have Goya yellow rice. But I cook mine to either chicken broth or vegetable broth. This is vegetable broth with olive oil. It makes the rice. It gives it a better flavor, if you ask me. And I'm out there.
Nobody asked you, Jen.
Well,
No.
I'm just saying.
What's up, Doris, Juanita, Janice? I see you guys. Jessica Hurt. Thank you all, Latoya
What
Zimmerman.
happened to her?
That's her name.
Oh!
No, not. Wow.
I'm so sorry. I really thought he was saying somebody hurt.
Wow.
I was about to be like, what happened to you? What's your symptoms? What's going on?
Thank you, guys. You're so helpful.
You told me no, it's already my temptation. He said, put it on.
Put it on.
Put it on. Open it up and put it on.
You know, only Jersey people or up north people pronounce it as on.
That's how you're supposed to say.
No, it's
turn
not.
it on.
It's on.
Ew. It's no
I know,
ain't
it
on.
just sounds.
It's no ain't on.
It ain't no, but how you say it? On.
On.
Like
oh,
a
and on.
No,
Like
that's
turn it
not
on.
Like an awning?
Thank you.
And
What's
the morning?
how do you say that? And don't put it on for Facebook.
How you say it? He's trying to super pronounce it.
On.
On. It's
No,
on.
no, I don't
It's
say
on.
on.
We say on.
How do you pronounce on? On.
I wish they had more
On,
specific.
or I say on. I do
We
say.
can add
I say AWN. I'm not gonna lie.
Yes, we can ask the people how you say it, and I bet you have them say
Turn it
on, and
Turn
some
it
of them say
on. I hate that. Don't say that.
So
Don't say
Jen,
turn it on.
my daughters are here.
Look at you like
And Courtney's here too, but she's really enthralled in this. She's enthralled in this show with Nita, so they're not paying no attention to us right now. They're not paying no attention. What's up, Lydia? How's it going?
My girl Libby is here.
Felicia Miller's here. What's going on, Felicia? So what are you all cooking? What are you cooking, Jen?
I just said about 10.
Say it
you
11
said it one
times.
You know, I'm gonna give y'all a disclaimer line. I am my daddy.
Say it. Say it. Just say it
I'm gonna say it
again.
one more again.
What we going?
I'm making chicken tacos
Right.
with the yellow corn tortillas, and I would like my dad to pin it so that y'all don't ask 50 times.
Ooh.
She got paying me to
She got attitude, y'all.
I don't got no attitude. This is me on a regular.
So she's saying it's just black women? Wow, racist.
I did not make it a.
Are you not a black woman? Yes or no?
I'm a
Did you say
Chicken
that was doing regular?
tacos
I'm a woman. I'm not
with
making that a woman.
the green and girls. How about that? I will say that.
Woman.
All right, I'm rinsing out my pot because you know we don't want the Rona over here. We don't want the Rona.
We got the Roni.
I'm just putting my beans. I'm not rinsing them with the juice in the pot.
Okay.
I need to cut all this onion. Do y'all recycle?
No, we're not. We're not good Americans. Our place does not have separate
And then I'm gonna
recycling,
put
unfortunately.
my favorite. This is actually no lie.
What are you putting?
Oh, sorry, the no salt gochujang blend. This is my favorite.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a nice amount because it's not salty. It's just flavorful.
Right.
So I'm gonna put
I tell
nice
people that all
amount.
the time that the blends are not
They're
super
always-
salty.
The Himalayans is salty because that's Himalayan salt.
Well, the pink Himalayan sea salt is just sea salt, so yeah.
That's what I'm
And
saying.
then I wanna. Where's my
Ivy
no
Glenn,
salt?
how you doing?
Hey, Glenn, my girl.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there.
Who else?
Okay, seasoning blend.
Yep. And then.
Hey, Teresa Mitchell.
Teresa.
Lydia Hardy said, "What kind of tacos again?"
Oh, I love Lydia Hardy. I would say it to you all day, every day because she donated towards my NCLEX preparation. I am making chicken tacos with corn tortilla for you, Lydia. I will repeat it for you. Oh, a little bit of the onion powder.
Onion, no salt, onion, black pepper.
Just a little bit.
This is really onion.
Look how Whitney over here caught y'all. She trying Jesus. She trying Jesus.
This is it, right?
She
See,
pulled
I'm
the
getting
paring
ready.
knife out instead of the regular chef knife.
Them other knives
Paring
are
knife
scary.
too,
They
'cause
too
they
sharp.
little,
Wow.
Them
Wow.
other knives super sharp. They gonna take my
And then
fingers.
I just put this on and I just. It's
Yeah, those are my daughters. Somebody just asked where you
I
guys my
just had
daughters.
scissors in my hand.
Allegedly, we ain't been to Maury yet, but that's what
I
they
ain't
tell
get
us.
tested. I don't know.
That's what they say.
I don't know.
Those are two of my four daughters.
This part two or no? Or this enough?
No, she said only
this
half.
enough for this
I
is
don't know.
the rest of it.
Yeah.
No, I need half of the Well, let me see.
What?
Yeah, because we're putting this on the actual taco, and I don't know how much
Oh.
Daddy needs for his avocado. So,
I don't know.
Oh, that's dumb. Okay.
so yeah.
So I cut-
Teresa
just
Mitchell
cut
says
the
she's trying our seasons for the first time on turkey wings.
Teresa.
What seasoning should you use? She's excited. Teresa, it depends on what flavor you really want.
Come here, Dad.
The onion black pepper is cool. I will probably put some herb in
Is
there
this
too.
good enough for your avocado? Because this is about
I can
all
cut
we need
more.
for the.
Yeah, tell her to cut the rest of that up. Just so
Tell
we
her I'm
have
right
some.
here.
Oh.
Dad, you literally got three
Okay.
of the world's babiest avocados. You really don't think you need? That's good enough for me.
You think that's enough onion? It's up to you guys. You're gonna eat it.
I think that's good.
I'm just
enough.
gonna make guac
I'm
from it.
allergic.
I think that's good enough.
You're allergic to guacamole?
No, she's not.
No, you're not. Jen, Whitney.
We
Don't-
can tell the
don't make-
thousand stories.
Don't make me beat you up, Whitney.
I'm allergic.
Betty, what's going on? Bridget Ellis is
Stop.
here.
Y'all want me to cut
Grace
down?
Kennedy.
Yeah.
Y'all, you know what? Because my daughters are here, we're gonna have a sale. How about that? On our spice blends. For anybody that doesn't know, we have our own spice blend company.
Use the code, daughters.
We are going to do.
Oh, is that a cold?
If you
No,
buy a
I just
5-pack,
put it
we're gonna throw in an extra 6 bottles. Okay?
6?
An extra one.
Giving them away.
An extra one, a 6. Yeah. So if you do a 5-pack, we have a 5-pack deals, any 5 for $18. Don't buy 5 separate bottles. There's on our website. There's a click that says 5-pack. Any 5-pack. You can pick any 5 of these blends, and we will throw in a 6th one for you if you order tonight. I guess we'll let it run for a couple of days. How about that?
I'm surprised how savory the maple bacon one is. I
Yeah.
thought it was going to be way sweet.
I made
and
some-
it's not sweet at
No.
all.
I
It's
made
mad
pulled
savory.
barbecue chicken.
Right.
I roasted it, a whole chicken. Well, I'm lying.
Okay.
I ain't about to put it on for y'all. I went and bought a rotisserie chicken.
Okay,
Ooh,
okay,
you're about
okay.
to tell a
You about to
story.
lie to the
Well, I
crew,
did
girl?
put it back in the oven, but still, I didn't make it.
That's not good enough.
But I pulled it apart and
Right.
I made pulled barbecue on Brand's biscuits, but I used a maple bacon blend in there, and it was really good.
Yeah.
Ah.
I haven't had it before.
You haven't had the maple bacon?
I mean, the last time I was here, I had a little bit of it, but I actually had it this time on my grits when I had breakfast.
Ah.
Oh yeah, because we had a delicious breakfast that my mom cooked.
I'm always
always cooking.
Grace Kennedy said, beautiful girls. Bridget Ellis said, beautiful
Thank you,
girls
Grace.
too.
My girl, Grace, and which one?
And Bridget Ellis.
Yes, Bridget. You better give us compliment, girl. Thank you.
All right, Dad, I need to know what you're doing, cause
All right, we're just gonna go ahead and.
after I do the chicken, and I'm just gonna start.
I gotta cut the avocado. I'm gonna like mash it up.
You know, I'm gonna tell y'all a trick. If y'all heat these up in the microwave for about 10 seconds, it makes it easier.
Ooh, I'm done with this now. I can't wait.
go.
I'm about to act like I got followers. Watch.
Well, what you?
I'm about to go on my Instagram and be like, hey, everybody, go over to Facebook right now. Like anybody watches my Instagram stories, but I'm going to do it right now.
Go do it right now, like you got
I'm
followers.
there. You about to go
Oh, you excited?
commercial?
You
Yeah.
excited? You excited? You excited? You excited? You excited? You excited? You excited?
My mom does not like.
Don't look at my
commercials,
undone
so I'm
toes.
Probably
Don't
not
do
gonna-
that part. Don't do that part, Dad.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up.
Some people gonna call the cops for you.
She fell on the ground, Jesus, so I couldn't see her toes.
My mom said.
I'm not.
What your mama say?
My mom said as long as it's not overpowering, she can have some like that.
Well, she could put her.
Well, she's one of them
them
people that think it tastes
I
like
rinsed it.
Y'all just using the paring knife. Just
It's okay.
using the paring
And look how
knife.
well it's cutting. Pared and all. I don't know how much you need, but that's about all we need to go on top. So, you want me to cut you some more? You need some?
I would just a little. I need mine a little more minced. I
am gonna mince my. Well, mine's gonna be a little more minced, but is that good enough for you? No, that's mine. Do you want some?
She confusing me.
Sorry, that's what I'm using.
Hold on.
Would you like some?
Yeah. Here, hold this, cause y'all bother me with that little mince knife, that little paring knife.
Daddy, your phone got the Rona and I'm cooking. I didn't see you sanitize it.
My phone.
You had it on the table in the mall, and
No,
I
I
gotta
did not.
rewash my hands.
Oh my
Dad, wait, seriously, I'm not joking. You really just touched that after you had your phone.
Oh my
And you
God.
did not wash your hands. All that needs to grab that whole pile. That all needs to be rinsed. I'm so sorry. I don't want the corona.
It's your girl. We over here cooking with the greens.
And I'm so not joking.
You know what I mean?
This whole pile right here, this one he just touched, he came from the mall and grabbed this public phone.
I did not.
Hey, Gina!
I did not come this.
This was on the table at the mall. I saw it. So that all needs to be rinsed. Yep. Look at God. Look at God.
I don't like it.
Don't throw it away. Just rinse it. That's good.
I don't like
Oh!
it. I don't like it.
We just saw a homeless person. He wasted good cilantro.
There ain't no such thing as good cilantro because my wife don't like
I
it.
said, hey, y'all, it's your girl, like we friends.
Yeah, I love them clean hands though.
Still, go to
It just looks brighter because it's
You
clean.
shut up.
It look vibrant and green, don't
This
it?
is why we don't live with our kids no more. Y'all.
You love us. Gina said, hey.
What's up, Gina? Gina, come get these girls.
Y'all, look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick. You know you cooking when you got that flick of the wrist. And you see how he holding that right there, all chef, all professional like?
You're so stupid.
Well, I don't know how to do that.
Okay, we're good. We're good on that. I just want a little because Nita's gonna have a problem.
Mine's is really just a garnish to go on top, so it don't have to be no more minced than that. But I run it through. Here you go.
All right, y'all. I
I'm
had to go
sweating
ahead.
like a cut pig.
My daughters are freaking out about coronavirus.
I'm not freaking out. I'm just want to be. First of all, I'm already germaphobe before this happened, so it just made it better.
Yes, Claudette, you can choose any 5 flavors. If you buy our 5-pack, it's any 5. So you in your shopping cart, you put in the comment section the 5 you want. This time you can put 6. So just say bonus 6 and then put your 6th one in there. We will honor it for the next couple of days. Anyone that gets a 5-pack will get a 6-pack. What you just doing? You popping on the internet and the webs?
I'm not popping, but I definitely put something on my Instagram story. You guys want to see it? Since
Yeah.
you guys not watching. We did a lot of talking today.
We cute.
Yes, we cute.
Say we cute. Yeah, my sister, my friend. I'm glad.
Oh wait. Let me just skip.
You know we about to do. Hey y'all, it's your girl. We over here
It's the
cooking with
girl.
friends.
I
Trying
know.
to make sure
I don't have any friends.
Yeah, I mean, this whole power right here. That's my dad. That's my sister. Go over to Facebook right now. The greetings. I said, hey y'all, it's your girl. Like we friends. I know you guys not my friends, but still, go to Facebook.
Something's wrong. Mo, what's going on? Gina said, Jen, can she still donate or is it over?
No, it's not over. Actually, actually, I'm only halfway there. I will post the link. The link is still on my thing. I'll repost it, but I'm still halfway there. Thank you to Lydia and I think Cynthia and another young lady. I did not forget your name, but I will have to read it.
It sounds like you forgot it.
What's up, Chef Carmen? Good to see
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you so much for donating.
What
I
you
really
need to do,
appreciate
Shorty?
it.
I'm done
So
here.
now, yeah, you're done because we about to.
No, Daddy's supposed to be cutting this avocado. You want me
You
to hold
gotta-
this? I can
yeah.
hold this.
Because
Okay.
once that
Hold
rice
on.
is done, I'm
I
gonna be doing that.
gotta wash my hands again because.
Yeah, because that got Corona on it. Do you have one?
No.
Wait, my dad has coronavirus?
He put it on the table in the mall, and
No.
you don't know. Who
Wait, he
touched
put
it.
his hands on the
He
table?
put that your
Oh,
hands
the
is going on
phone.
the table. Yes.
God.
But when we were at the mall, they did have a thing that said we were cleaning up more.
Okay.
I can't.
I'm sorry, y'all.
right.
Precaution. Prevent the spreading. That's why they're shutting everything down. Wash your hands. Not sanitize. Hand wash. Be good.
Who bringing?
That's my mama.
Oh.
Her phone old.
All right, so we're gonna make a little quick, easy guac here.
Yo, my camera skills is bomb, dude.
Really?
You see this angle, son?
You got crazy angles, girl. I'm just trying to tell you right now, you got some crazy angles. We're gonna make some quick, easy guacamole with these avocados that look like they wanted to be almost ready to go. No, they pretty good.
Ooh, you scared me.
You scared me back. You doing all of them, right?
Make this look better. Move that stuff away from there. Wipe the counter.
Okay.
Yes, Lord. Help me, sister. Oh.
Y'all, my daughters are here.
You gotta wipe the thing right there, Jen.
Hold on. I'm cooking over here. I'm sorry.
Oh, gosh. This child making rice and she thinks she cooking.
This one feels suspect right here. This one feels extremely suspect.
What does
Make the
suspect
best
mean?
one.
This one feels extremely suspect.
It's
Like
probably
too
gonna
soft?
make the best one. Watch.
Ooh,
we're gonna
that's
make one a little
trash.
bit. I'm not gonna do anything with that.
Y'all supposed to be reading the questions, right?
Yeah, read the
Yeah,
questions.
yeah. Okay.
See if anyone has any.
All right.
questions.
Betty said, "Where Courtney? She lazy.
Courtney's
She's
sitting
on
there
the couch."
watching TV. I don't know
You're
why
welcome.
she's
Education is important. That was Lydia for you, Jen. Juanita said, "Hey Greens. Hey Juanita.
What's up, Juanita?
Shirley's replying to someone.
How you doing,
Shalia. I don't want to mispronounce anyone's name. We're cooking chicken tacos Zoe's
Yellow rice
watching.
and beans, too.
with yellow rice and beans
My
as well.
daughter is making this
Vanessa,
for us.
are you making chocolate pudding? No.
No, we're just gonna do a little.
Regina?
guacamole.
Yeah, repost so I can donate. Anybody else can donate too. She trying to take her nurse test. That's my aunt. She's silly. Carmen, we need more nurses. True that, and nurses of color that care. Hello, Jean. Hello. Angela S says, "OMG, I put my go-to seasoning. No
Let me
S
tell you,
salt."
do y'all remember live when I first started and I had failed that class and all that stuff and I had to restart? Would y'all believe I only got 8 weeks left till I finish? I'm really proud of myself. 8 weeks. And will be 8 hours.
You better go,
So I'm going to
girl.
wash the dishes while you're doing that, Dad, because I'm not going to cook this chicken until the rice is done.
Hello, Peggy Brown. Hello, Angina. Oh, she said, "Hey, nieces." She's saying hi to us. Y'all need to be more entertaining.
She
Y'all
taking good care of my
corny,
grandma,
B.
right?
Oh, what happened to my grandmother?
She's with Angina.
But she's okay. There's nothing wrong with her. Why she up
But she
there?
down there.
Okay, you're just making sure she's taking care of her. I'm sure everybody takes good care of Grandma Grand.
Getting this lime juice in here.
Yes. He did a bunch of things. He didn't explain any of it.
Well, I put
He
there.
had an avocado. He put the cut up red onion in there. He is squeezing lemon over the
Lime.
cilantro that was.
This
I
lime
mean,
over
sorry, he's squeezing lime over the cilantro that was also cut and put into this bowl. He did not cut the avocado.
Not
No,
yet.
didn't. I'm gonna
Because it's
probably
soft,
mash
so
it
you
up.
could just
Well, I was under the impression that he wanted me to cut it before we started this thing.
Okay, and let's add a little bit of
That's raw chicken over there, y'all.
pink Himalayan sea salt on there too. A little bit. And a little bit of our, I want to put a little Tex-Mex on there. So I want some of that chili powder,
Can you put some
cumin.
spicy lime in it?
Okay, let's put spicy lime in there instead, according to it. So we're gonna add spicy lime to that. The spicy lime is chili powder, red bell pepper,
You
lime,
getting lime on
cornstarch,
everything, Dad.
garlic, onion, pink Himalayan
But
sea
that
salt,
spicy
cayenne,
lime is
and
actually really good. So I kind of wanted that. He could still put the pink hair.
Angela S says, okay, I will buy the season again to go to... I'm so sorry. Love it. My family.
Hotel Phonics didn't work for her.
Okay, no, it's just the words that she's using. It doesn't work. But she just said she's gonna get some more seasoning. So thank you, Miss Angela. Jordan is watching. My Aunt Jean said, "Ooh, I got a professional voice." Yes, that's that customer service girl. Can someone donate a 5-pack seasoning to me? That's what Leah has asked. She's asked for someone to donate a 5-pack seasoning.
Why don't you do another?
Maybe type in what kind of seasonings you want, girl. I don't know. And Aunt Gina also said that Grandma is with Aunt Angie.
Oh, okay.
Hello, Green family. Good to your daughters with y'all. Oh, good to see us. Yeah, we the best. We the best. Now, what's the special and how long is it going on?
You know what?
This is Peggy.
We'll let it last a week.
Miss Peggy, what you talking about? Oh, the special you was talking about. Oh, yeah. Okay, so the special is going to be lasting for 7 days, and the special is
anyone that buys a 5-pack, we will throw in. You can get a
6th one free.
One for free. So you're getting 6 bottles of our spice blend. Any of them, no matter what cost, for $18. You just don't even know our spice blend. You don't even know our price.
Hello, Tyrone. Tyrone says hello, Green family.
What's up, Tyrone? Good to see you, man.
And Miss JB said, Chef doing his thing. Yes, he is. He's flicking that wrist. See him in here getting in the kitchen.
What consistency should they have with that? You ain't even explained it to the people.
Yeah, he's the worst.
I'm sorry. I'm letting y'all talk.
Nah, don't let me talk, B, because I'm going to say all the wrong things, sir.
All the right things, please.
Nah. If you let me talk, we just going to be talking, y'all. We ain't even going to talk about what we cooking. I'm going to just talk while you
all right,
getting
so we
stuff
got
done.
our avocado going.
Yes,
Set to go.
Get that avocado.
Nice.
Woo!
Yes,
The devil's busy.
yes,
He tried
bro.
to take it, but what did my guy do?
Wait.
Yes.
Whitney, shut up.
What'd she say? What'd she say? What did she say?
I said, did y'all see how busy the devil is? But my God, yes.
Oh my God.
Yes, my God. He called. You think you falling just like this boy. Let me take this moment.
You better preach today. You better preach tonight.
Yes, you think you falling, and then what my God do? He catch you.
Catch you.
Yes. Amen. In the midst of the fall.
Boom. It's very super simple, guys.
And he put in the cute bowl just for y'all.
Just for y'all, not for me.
Like unghetto.
So Jen's gonna be doing her thing. I don't know what she's doing, but I guess we're gonna show what she's doing now since we made that.
Yes, Felicia. She said she need these seasons. You want to see all these doggone seasons they got up here?
Hold on. Why does one turn this back on us?
It's turned fully.
Lord,
I think somebody used that this morning for breakfast.
What's gonna happen is I'm gonna go in front of you, try to make them look.
Okay, so let me do it like real slow. Here we go. Let's start from the beginning. Y'all want to see the seasonings? Here they go. This is the no salt onion, no salt Italian blend, pink Himalayan. That's spicy umami.
Nothing.
Ranch.
Nothing. Everything's
Another
fine.
one of them pink Himalayas, but that's the go-to, and it's the seasoning blend. Those is the difference. This is the spicy seafood one. No salt herb. Don't you get that mixed up with the no salt Italian or the no salt onion, because them ain't the same. And now you got the maple bacon blend.
What?
You got that lemon bell pepper one.
Tell me left the top of
You got that barbecue tomato. You got that no salt go-to. Now, don't you get that mixed up with the other ones. This is the first time I said this one. Now, this is that pink Himalayan Creole. That Tex-Mex was going down tonight. And that pink Himalayan. Yeah, them joints was already nice and neat. Don't even go back to the front.
Oh, you forgot this. You forgot this one.
Oh, I'm sorry. And then this one, the spicy lime.
These tonight, okay.
You gotta shake that one up, shorty.
This is the chicken that was rinsed off with the Italian season, dressed like whatever they had on it. This is marinated in the Creole and Tex-Mex. You don't have to show me the food.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get a good shot.
Nope, I'm good. So this is over medium heat.
What's up, Ina Fox?
Hey, Miss Ina. I miss you, Miss Ina. So this is over medium heat. I'm just gonna let that do its thing. This is what the rice is looking like.
Okay.
Still cooking down.
I'm sorry, I'm so busy reading.
And then the beans are done. So there you go. In a minute, we're going to construct.
Do you do anything for the beans? You add
I showed them. I put the onion, pepper in there. Daddy showed it. I put the pink Himalayan sea salt and the no salt garlic.
Okay.
Oh, can I have a little bit of the?
How much a piece for the seasonings?
They go anywhere from $3.
You want these now?
No, you can show me if you want.
Okay.
They go anywhere from $3 to $7 a bottle when you buy them a la carte. But we have package deals, so you can get all 16 of them for like $3.30 a bottle. That's all across the board. So you're getting a 16 pack for $53. You're going to be getting any 5 for $18. We want to make sure you get them in your mouth and fall in love with them. The prices probably will be changing a little bit, but get it while you can. Any 5 for $18, and tonight we're going to be throwing a 6 bottle. So when you buy your 5-pack, and follow the directions, okay? In the directions, it'll tell you to list the 5 that you want in your shopping cart in the comment section. Tonight, you put bonus 6, and you put that 6 one in there, and we will honor that. So we're in essence giving you 6 of them for only $18. Go and tell a friend. Go and tell a neighbor.
Can I have some of your clean grab, y'all?
What it is?
Okay, so here's some
grab.
Clean wrap, clean
foil,
or
Who says
something
clean
to
wrap?
put this away.
Cling wrap.
Okay, so anyway, what they were saying was Tex-Mex. Oh, Ina misses us. We miss you too, Miss Ina.
What you say? Somebody had a question?
No, I'm reading. Valerie says hello, Green Family. Hello. Tanya says hello. Hello, Tanya. Oh, Vanessa likes your shirt. The man, the myth, the legend.
Well, thank you very much.
That's what he is. That is Superman.
Somebody think Jennifer is my mom. She said love the hair, Nita, but that's Jennifer.
No, that is me. I'm sorry.
Good evening, Green Family. Good evening, look.
Lucretia.
Yes, girl. And good evening from Gail.
Gail Dottery.
I'm sorry, y'all. I have a hard time with everything.
Tell them you work last.
We dropped her a lot.
Oh.
We dropped her a lot.
You know what? I'm about to drop this phone.
Oh,
I'm
really?
kidding. I'm kidding.
I'm sorry.
Y'all don't have girls. The girls are too much.
No, they're not. Girls are the best. Well, boys are the best. I ain't gonna lie. You don't
You
have.
better
I
flip
still
them
want a
chickens,
girl.
girl.
The chickens.
You better flip them chickens.
Well, Jen, you doing your darn thing with the chicken. I see it. It looks quite flavorful.
Yeah.
Ina said put it on pasta.
You know what? My next time I come down, I'm gonna make Cajun rasta pasta with
Cajun
chicken and
rasta
shrimp.
pasta.
Okay.
That sounds fun.
Yeah.
What's Cajun rasta pasta? You put a little weed in it?
No.
Oh, it's rasta, so I figured. Oh, that's me being
It's
racist.
Jamaican. I'm assuming it's Caribbean or Jamaican meal. The rasta pasta. This is almost done.
Where's Anita? Anita is chillaxing.
Ain't no music playing. That's lame, y'all.
Her and Courtney are being
They watching Westworld.
antisocial watching Westworld in here. See? Look at these two. They don't even know I'm here. Terrible, y'all.
Oh, that's open now.
Throw it away the seed. You're not planting no more, right? You're
No,
not
but
trying to
you
grow
know that seed is good to use in your blended stuff, and you just have to take the skin off. The skin's
what are you
makes
supposed
it
to do with
bitter.
that?
You can chop it up.
Fun facts, guys.
You can chop it up, bake it or something like that, or just let it dry out, and then you can blend them in your drinks. Most of the antioxidants and things like that, like if you do smoothies.
Can I have one?
Most of the
2, 3
antioxidants
spoons?
and things like that are in the avocado or in the seeds, the majority of
You in a
them.
real
So we've been
person
saving
or
them
a
lately, and we gotta skin them because the skin is gonna make it bitter. These are the last ones we had. So we will be using those in our drinks. In our blended drinks.
I need to do my edges.
So just FYI, I thought I told you guys that before, but maybe I didn't.
Now look, this is what I wanted. It makes its own juice. At this point, you could go ahead and throw some more Tex-Mex in here. I actually had to pre-marinate it just to kind of take away whatever Italian season that they had already on here. So I'm going to put a little bit of more Creole and a little bit more Tex-Mex in this.
So they said the one cooking looked like Anita.
I get that all the time. I'm her daughter. I'm Jen. I'm asparagus.
What we putting down there again?
That's Tex-Mex. But
Tex-Mex?
I don't know, maybe about a tablespoon, I guess.
You putting the max on there, girl.
And then just a little
They said,
bit.
oh, I'm sorry, that's Anita's twin cooking with the hair. I thought she was Nita. She just got a new do. I thought Nita was...
You know what's funny?
Oh!
I didn't use it.
You broke your body. Just get another one.
I think
We got plenty of...
I think Whitney... Oh, this is perfect.
We got plenty of...
I think Whitney is actually my mom's twin. That's this one right here. Yeah.
I think you look more like mommy than I do. I think I look like the combination of both.
As do I. I'm the one who got daddy color. Y'all ain't even get blessed with that
Excuse me,
melanin.
I'm chocolate.
Okay.
I'm chocolate skin.
I'm just trying to get the seasoning.
Angel
on.
McGirt, how you doing? Karen Harris, good to have you guys.
So this is pretty
Willa
much
is here. Thank you, Willa.
No,
Thank you guys for sharing.
Can you check the tortillas so I can start plating?
Luana, we're doing good. My daughter Jen, and actually for all four of my daughters are up from New Jersey, down from New Jersey. Nicole,
I thought they was gonna call them to come over here.
y'all just came in and started cooking.
Yeah, I really wanted to rinse the Italian seasoning off. I didn't want it marinated.
Nicole, Jen, Whitney, and Courtney are here.
It's okay. So I want Daddy to taste this to see if it tastes.
Felicia said, "Is that guacamole?" Yes.
It's homemade guacamole.
She want to know, is that going to be enough meat?
It is. I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna do this, son. I want him to have that big.
And I'm not really eating either. I'm on a diet.
Go, Jen. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me.
Oh yes, good.
She put both hands up. So
She
that's
put both
how
of
you
them.
do it.
Ooh.
Yes.
I made me Harlem shake.
I'm sorry.
Yes, boy, to that Tex-Mex. Y'all better
Why you
cook
hit my
it,
butt?
coach.
Why'd you hit my
My dad and my mom, they put their foot in that Tex-Mex. Okay? I'm not gonna lie, I actually use this more than the pre-bought ones. I used to buy the taco kit. I no longer do that because this Tex-Mex is the bomb.
They want to know what your ages are.
Guess. You guess, I'll buy one of your spices for you.
Oh.
Matter of fact, you guess Courtney's age on the nose. And you can't know her, so that means no family.
I'm young.
I'll buy one of your spices for you.
Oh. If they guess your age, you're gonna guess.
They may guess mine. I mean, nobody ever guesses
What
mine.
age you
They're
trying to
never
guess?
going to guess Courtney's. They gotta guess
tell her
Courtney's.
age all the time. Oh, you want people to look at her?
Well, I don't know. Try to guess our age. All three of the girls.
Okay. How old do you think I am?
That's Whitney. So
That's
you gotta
Whitney.
guess
I'm Whitney,
is.
so how
So you
old
put
do you
Whitney's
I am.
great.
And then
Okay.
how old do you think?
Jennifer is, or Little Nita, whatever y'all would put. Jennifer,
Jennifer.
is such and such, and Courtney.
And Courtney,
is-
Courtney sitting on the
Oh,
couch.
Courtney. Let's say Courtney.
Courtney. Yeah. That's the Courtney one right there.
Let me get one of them plates and plates.
So there's three of them here.
No, these. That'll be these.
Oh, whoopsie.
I'm going to make the first plate.
Ina said, "Jen, where's her boy?"
He is not here. He's staying with his friend Jason. He didn't want to ride, so he's with his best friend.
They said all of them look like Nita, even the grandchildren. Nita got them strong
Can you take a
jeans.
napkin and wipe this off?
They said Whitney definitely looks like Derek, Courtney, Jen, and your son looks like Nita.
I told you.
Well, that's because Martin looks like me, so I understand.
Jennifer said 36. I don't know whose
Wait, which
age
one's
she said.
36?
Bridget said Courtney is 27.
Is Bridget, Crumb?
Huh?
Is Bridget Crumb?
No, Bridget
Okay.
Ellis.
I'm about to say she can't get shit.
Courtney is not 27,
No.
so that's wrong.
Wait, don't.
Evangelist Mitchell Burrell said Courtney is 35.
Don't tell them
Courtney's
what the
not
age is.
35.
No, I'm
Just
just
let
saying.
them know that they're wrong.
I'm telling
Courtney
them
is
wrong.
not
Don't tell them
35.
if they close or not or either.
I'm not gonna say Courtney's not 35.
Nope, she's not
Bridget Ellis said Jennifer's 34.
I'm not 34.
Jennifer's not 34. Ina said 14, 16, and 10.
She won because Whitney definitely was 16. Actually, Whitney will be she'll be turning 16 for the 14th time.
No.
On the 26th.
No,
Yeah,
I
so
don't
what
like
we
the
gonna
math
do
of that.
for your sweet
We'll just say
16?
that my birthday is the 26th and I'm turning $1 billion because I don't like how old I'm turning. So we'll leave it at that.
They said Courtney is 32.
No, she's
Somebody
not.
said, Evangelist said Whitney is 28 and Jen is 33.
Yes. Nope.
No.
Wait, they said
what
Jenna's
happened?
what?
33.
Yeah, she guessed my age right. Whoever that was. they guessed
Evangelist
mine.
Michelle
Who
Burrell.
did that?
So she got to guess all
Which
three
one
though,
guessed-
right?
Oh yeah. But which
So
one
whoever
was that?
guessed all three
She
first, you're
close.
gonna buy them some spices.
Well, now that I already told her mine, so I guess it don't count. And I kind of told her Whitney.
What?
too.
Well, you just told
The
Michelle.
game is over then. We gotta do a different one.
No, it's okay. They'll still win. I won't read it.
Okay.
Bridget
good.
Ellis
You guys
says
want
Whitney
the
is
real-
30. No.
Technically not.
Vanessa Cooper said Whitney is 30.
Not
Courtney
yet.
is 27.
No, I'm saying.
Courtney's not 20.
And
For the
Jen.
record, y'all,
Courtney's older
Courtney's
than
the
me.
oldest.
She's older than both of us.
All right, so they're giving y'all a lot of
Courtney's the
I'm
oldest.
just saying, Courtney, y'all
And
trying
then
to
it's
make
her,
it
and
seem
then
like
it's me.
she looks 12.
And they said
but
Jen
she
is
ain't.
32.
Nah, she looks really young.
No, Jen's not 32. I'm past that.
Donna G, no, Courtney's not 30. I think
I'ma say
Courtney is
20
23.
forever.
Felicia said Whitney is about
Forever.
24.
I'm 20 forever.
And Jen is like 25.
Yes.
Oh, so we just had them like that, huh, Felicia? But like, we ain't had no TV, huh, Felicia? She said, I think 123, 123 and a half, 120. No, we ain't having
How
it.
many
Like
tacos do you want?
He said the daughter cooking is 25. Absolutely
How many
not.
tacos do you want?
I'm going to get this many.
Okay.
Then mayonnaise.
Okay. So this is how we construct them, y'all. For y'all
I can't wait.
wondering.
I'm looking.
So you start with the guac.
Okay.
The
You don't do nothing to the
I heated them up in the microwave. Sorry, that's why.
Oh, you just heat them in the microwave.
I mean, you could toast them. I just like them soft and warm. They're good by themselves.
So, okay.
She put them in the microwave with the napkin over them.
Quiet
and a glass container.
storm.
Yeah, I just put a. That part is a little chunky. I just put a napkin over it.
That's
so that
it.
it could be. It's okay. So that it could
That's what I'm saying.
Leah said Jennifer's 27, Courtney 25 wrong, Whitney 24 wrong, Courtney 30 wrong, Mo Williams said Whitney's 31 wrong, Donna G said Jen is 35 wrong, Bridget Ellis said Jennifer 31 wrong, Sheila said Courtney 25 wrong, Jen 28 wrong, Whitney 23 wrong.
I like the 20s.
We're about to close this.
Malone Shell said Courtney is 32 wrong. Leah Shawn White Average said Courtney's 32. No. Mo Williams said Jen is 38.
Dang, Mo, you about to get blocked. Mo is about to get blocked.
You look about 40, shorty.
Right?
You look about 40, shorty.
Black.
Leah said Jen is 30 wrong.
Right? Black of the
Donna G said Whitney is 32.
Yikes.
Jennifer Mark Waters said Jen's 36 and Courtney's 35.
You about to get blocked too. Whitney is 29. She'll be 30 on the good. It's closed. I guess it's closed. Whitney will be that. Only that one lady who was closed. She gonna get something.
Evangelist Michelle
We'll
Burrell.
figure out what we're gonna give her. She gonna get something. So Whitney's 29. She'll be 30 on the 26th. I am 33.
Birthday.
And Courtney is 34. Believe it or not, she's the oldest.
Yeah, Courtney's 147.
No, she's not. So, the birthday.
Yeah, Courtney will be 35 this year.
So then I take my chicken, and then
Kelly, we miss you too. Kelly Cornelius. Yeah.
Courtney's Kelly. Hi, Kelly.
Crazy Kelly.
Look at Crazy Kelly.
Oh, crazy.
Oh, don't go say now. Don't say nothing now.
Alright, now she got off the couch. Now she got off
Whatever. Felicia Miller said they got young faces.
We do.
But they said, but their necks look like they about 45. No, she didn't say that. No, she didn't say that. I made that part up. Look how you over getting that. But their necks look like they about 47.
You want to know what your neck looks like? How old your neck is saying?
What's up, senior?
It's sausage.
I didn't say that. No, my dad looks young. Everybody used to think.
Evangelist said she would like maple bacon, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Evangelist
You
Michelle
got it.
Burrell. Send us your address.
It's really savory.
And just say Jen is sending you
I'll
maple
pay
bacon.
for it for her.
She'll pay for it. Thank you, Evangelist. She said she's gonna send her address. Okay.
Oh, it's so savory.
Oh, you're doing something. You're doing a little
This
bit. I feel like I
almost
need.
smells
What?
like
Why ain't no
barbecue.
tomatoes in this
Wait,
house?
no, I don't know. I don't like tomatoes, so I kind of made these the way I make mine. Sorry for everybody.
Wow.
This almost. I'm gonna ask my mom. My mom is sleeping.
I don't want to give her that big piece.
Never mind. My mom is sleeping. Oh.
This has a lot of fresh ingredients, guys, so that's why I really like it. I'm gonna put the cilantro on my dad's, not my mom's.
Okay.
Just a little bit. It's not too much. It does add to the flavor, Dad. Trust me.
Okay. Well, say so.
This is hickory. That's why.
How many daughters I have? I have 4 daughters, and I have 2 sons.
Okay.
I mean, I guess because I haven't been to Maury yet for nobody, so I'm guessing that's all I got.
Lord Jesus.
That's my guess. I guess that's it.
This is taking forever.
Oh my gosh.
Hurry up, lady.
Go Jen. Go Jen. Go. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's ooh.
Yeah.
Salt Bay.
It's your birthday. It's almost your birthday. It's
No,
almost
my
your
birthday is
It's
2 days
almost
after
your birthday.
Christmas.
Go.
There's nowhere
Go
near my
Jen.
birthday.
Go Whitney.
I'm
Go
out.
Whitney.
Okay,
Go
so-
Whitney.
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
go what?
Hey,
What?
hey,
What?
hey,
What?
get it,
What?
get it.
What?
Get it.
Something's
That was
Something's
good.
wrong with
You
me.
should have ended that with the whoa. That was a perfect move
I
to
should
it.
have pulled up and then went.
That's the name of it. The whoa.
Oh, wait. So I pulled up and then.
There you go. Act like I did that whole thing together.
Okay,
Okay, so now-
all right.
Oh wait, salsa verde.
Ah.
This is really spicy. This is basically a jalapeno salsa, so you don't want to overdo it.
Okay.
That looks overdone.
No, it's not. You over there?
Veggie burgers tonight for Senior. Oh,
That's veggie burger.
I
From
like-
scratch or she's buying?
Is her name Senior or Senia?
Senior.
Oh, I like Senia.
I don't know. Might be Senia. I don't know. Shoot.
Let me
I ain't
see it.
heard
What's the
in
spelling?
Cenia.
Maybe it's Senia. Senia.
No, I think you are absolutely
You just
wrong.
want to be different.
Senia. I was
Yeah,
going to
Felicia.
say something else.
Our oldest daughter Nicole is the oldest.
And she
She
is
actually
36,
is in Virginia Beach someplace. She actually came down because her daughter and my other granddaughter are having a Sweet 16 together, so they came to do planning.
Now you squeeze this like this,
Okay.
and then you just take a bite.
Okay.
Now it's you. I'll hold it.
Hold on. Let's see. All right.
Go
Here
to
we
the table. Let me get my mom her plate.
I
Here.
want you to be my
Mama.
table. No, I'm just joking.
Mama.
Wait, sit.
I
Hold.
want
Come
you to be my
here.
table. I want you to be
Don't show them yet.
Oh, okay. What am I supposed to show?
me dancing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
do
I
it,
just
do
wanted
it,
to move
just
the
do it,
bag out
do
the-
it,
There
do
you
it,
go.
and then do it, and do it, do it, and then do it. Yeah, yeah, and then you do it. What, and then you get it. And then you hit it. What, and then you do it.
I'm sure they did not want to see that.
I feel like they did.
Okay. All right. So she wanted me to try this. So let me see my grace. Why do you like a little?
I'm gonna turn the light just a little bit. You want wine? I get it for you.
I'm good right now.
Amen. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
Okay. Let's see what this nonsense is about.
Nonsense.
I'm just saying.
Slaved.
You just slaved over the stove for all these children.
That thing stuffed, girl.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Oh, God.
Two of them escaped.
Oh, God. He wasted it. We don't know how to pronounce her name, but Miss Ladybug said she got a bunch of names and she loves us. And then other people's laughing at you dancing.
Anything else you need on there? Like more
Oh,
sour
and the
cream,
oldest
more
daughter
salsa,
is...
That's going
more
bang.
vodka? No?
That's banging right there. Let's do this.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
It better be. Oh, we suing her. Let me get a better shot. This ain't
That's good.
straight.
That's flavorful.
You crooked. That's you.
I am Mexican at heart. I am. You know what I'm saying?
That's not a good salsa.
Go get my mama tear that thing up over there. Courtney, we ain't
She's like, y'all
going
messing
West
up.
World. We
Y'all
cooking
messing
with
up the
greens
West
right
World
now.
now, okay? It's the finale, that's why I think. This is the last episode of the season. I think this is the last episode, the one before, because he's about to die, shorty, and she don't even know.
Whitney,
Yes.
you want to make a
All right, I guess we can round off. Are we done with this?
I'm good.
All right, what you gonna say?
Please send the address so that we can send her maple bacon, please.
Yes, have Evangelist inbox y'all, right?
Yes, she knows.
Oh, and we come with cocktails tonight.
Yes, we coming strong with the. I guess we could stop watching this
Okay,
guy
I'll
eat.
tell
He's not
somebody.
even doing a good ASMR of him eating, so we're gonna go ahead. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to
this is
do.
what we-
Extra
We
chewy.
taking shots tonight because
Oh, we
being
are.
broke.
I
Yes.
need to.
We taking
I didn't know
shots.
we was taking shots.
Yes, we are.
It's turning up time.
Yes.
Okay, see?
Golly,
See, that's the other reason why I have my
golly. What a shots go. What a shot
You can say
guns.
bye to them.
Okay, yeah. We done with y'all. Do one more ASMR chew. I'm gonna get real close. I hate it.
Thank you guys for watching as always. Thank you so much. I cook differently than my parents. I do a lot of semi-homemade, but the love is still there. The food, just the same.
Is the love still there? Is the love still
It
there?
is. Ask my dad.
Okay. We can say it
I don't
is. We
taste
can
no
say it
love.
is. That meal is
Don't
lovely.
hate.
That's the last time I'm cooking. for
These
free.
black beans got a little racism. They taste a little racism.
They
No, they
do.
don't have no
Cause she
flavor.
said Mexican, you
Oh,
jerk.
fine.
Who else eats rice and beans? Everybody.
They're delicious.
But I don't know where
You can mix
where
them, though, but
I don't know
like
where
that.
that meal originates from. So maybe it is a Mexican dish. I don't know.
Yep.
All right. Oh, everyone said don't go, but we got it because they're eating. I mean, what y'all want to do? Just
we don't want to,
watch us
like,
watch
watch us eat,
Westworld. We're not doing nothing. You see this guy eating?
Yeah,
You
we
see?
can come back on.
Don't look at the dirty table. Don't look at the
table. Let's take a shot. Let's
Oh, we about to do shots? I hate it. All right, let's watch
shot.
Jennifer take it.
No, you're
Big
Big
booty
Booty.
Judy. Oh.
First of all, my mother's the biggest.
No, you're a big booty Judy. That's gigantor.
Gone.
What's the word for booty cheeks when you say it in nursing words?
Gluteus maximus.
Yes, that's gigantic glutes over there.
Slap her. Slap her to death. Daddy,
Don't
you got
tell
a
her.
shot
Don't
license?
tell her. Don't tell on me.
They don't got no shot.
They too Christian for me. They too Christian.
Oh, so guess what they do got? Red Solo Cup.
Ooh. Can you only fill mine to where it's supposed to be just one shot?
Oh, look, I'm going to be ghetto. This is going to be our shot.
Yes. Ooh, those are stolen. I bet money. I bet money. Y'all be extra borrowing seasoning things from restaurants?
That's from Red Lobster.
Can you open
I
this?
told you.
Wait.
You weak.
You might need to use that napkin.
Get the one without the Rona on his hands, please.
It's the top.
You gotta do this first.
Yeah.
I'm strong.
Hold, because I'm tired of
It's
his
the
phone.
Rona on there. Let me get this napkin
God.
first.
No, I'll hold it.
There ain't no.
Oh my gosh, she really got a napkin.
Yes, I do. I don't want to dry with my hair. I wash my hands 80 times. It's a twist top, so I really don't know.
Alright, what you want? Don't look at my toes. Oh, I thought
Here you go, Daddy. He's putting his hand in masses now while we take a shot.
Why you got a napkin around my phone?
I didn't want the Rona on my hair.
Ina said, I see y'all are all over 21. They said you did a great job. The food looks great.
Thank you.
Peggy Trail said, that's the stuff Jen tried with sweet tea.
Oh, I actually
never
do
had
mine
honey
with
jack.
apple juice. I know that's not
She
traditional.
never had honey jack before.
But I drink. I'm not a drinker, and I just got introduced to Jack Daniels, the regular one, and we cut it with the apple juice because for some reason it takes the burn away really, really quickly. This is my first time trying the honey, so we're gonna see. It's sweet. I don't really think we need to chase it. Well, I'ma still chase it. Come on, wait, so we can hang out with them.
Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to wash off the top. It's so crazy.
All right, Courtney.
What?
Shots.
Why are you talking?
Oh, we don't have one for her.
Oh well, ready? 1, 2, 3. To cook it with the greens.
Alcohol.
You know it's cooking with greens, not with the.
Gotta chase her.
When? I like this thing. I told you you don't need it.
Yes, you do.
Cause she's a wimp.
I don't drink.
No.
Ooh, that put some hair on your chest. Ooh, the grown man come out a little bit. My armpit's itching. Ooh, I don't know if this is fun. I tried it though, y'all. I tried.
This is why, look. You see why I don't drink, right?
Alright, we're going to eat now. We love you guys. Thank you for watching. I will send yours, Evangelist. Thank you so much. Once again, 33, 34. She'll be 30 basically on the 25th.
Yeah, Whitney will be 30.
You want to take it?
Come on, man.
No, go ahead. I
No,
took
this is
one.
yours. I did take one. She did.
Oh.
All right, y'all.
Right, cooking with things.
Oh, Westworld about to pop off. She don't know somebody's dying.
Look.
Yeah, that man's dying. Son. What? You about to see something?
Ina said the devil is a liar.
Who said that was lying? I
Ina
don't know.
Fox.
For what? Because we taking shots? You know, the Bible did not say that we can't drink. They say you can't get drunk. So
I need to put my do-rag.
we could indulge in the libations, you know, enhance our spirits a little bit, just a little bit.
Yo, I can't do nothing with them. Yo, we love you guys, man. We're gonna let you guys. Thank you for following us, and if you're new, we thank you for hanging in there. My daughters are up, so I let them do their thing in the kitchen. Yeah, they're a little cray. They got a little Anita. They got a little Anita in her. You see her? You know what the girls? They from. That's because of her right there. That's because of her.
What's because of me?
Oh, you done? You done?
Oh yeah, this is it. I'm
Put your
finished.
ninja hat on.
Oh wait, your Corona mask.
Okay.
Oh, my Corona is in the.
Okay, all right.
Ooh, yeah,
Okay, I don't
never
even know what's
seen-
happening.
Nothing like.
Oh, you see
That.
that? Seriously?
I cannot.
I was kind of serious.
Yo, I'm sorry, y'all. This what happens when you
jealous.
drop
Y'all
your
jealous.
kids a lot. So
No,
be
this
careful
what
with the
happens when you
babies.
got Moves.
Oh shoot, go, Jen.
I don't know
Go
how to
Whitney.
do.
Go Whitney.
Jen.
Go Whitney.
You know
Go
what Jen
Whitney.
gets? She gets
Go
it.
Whitney.
Let me see.
Go
Let me see
Whitney.
Jennifer.
Go Jen.
No, I'm
Go
not gonna
Jen.
do that. Jen about to
Go
eat.
Whitney.
Right. Anybody know me from live? They know Jen eats.
No.
Jen about to eat.
Y'all, I can't, y'all. I damaged them kids. Good.
Who damaged? Who damaged?
Y'all all damaged.
Where's the guac?
Why mine want more guac?
I'm gonna pass it to me.
It has a
All
lot
right,
of surprise.
look, we love y'all, man. We're gonna let you guys go. We'll be back.
Bye,
Maybe.
Dr.
And
Woodbridge.
somebody said you got moves like Jagger. With
Yay! She got them moves like Jagger. I like
We
how
love
they
y'all.
hyping us up.
maybe maybe we'll see y'all later on tonight. If not, we will be in Selden Marketplace tomorrow in Norfolk, Virginia. So if you want to come out and meet us, if you're not afraid that me and Anita are going to give you the coronavirus,
The
come
corona.
out. Right, Nita? Nita, you going to give people the coronavirus tomorrow?
No.
Okay, you heard that. From the,
She promises.
we're not going to give y'all the coronavirus. You can come out to Selden Marketplace, downtown Norfolk, Virginia, close to the waterside, close to the main hotel. We're going to be there Sunday. It's Sunday. I'm sorry, not tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. Sunday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. They have a vintage event. They're going to have a lot of vintage vendors out there. We'll also be there. We will sample under strict guidelines. We will have our gloves, we will have our hand cleanser and all that kind of stuff, but you can come out and sample and also purchase your spice blends, and you can just meet us if you want to do that. So we love you guys, man. We will see you again, and thank you for my girl. Too many girls in here. One girl's missing. She's here like within the last few weeks. She's at her and my 2 grandkids are over there.
at a cool hotel, a
Yep.
fancy, smashy hotel.
So she had a fancy smashy hotel. You heard it here first. We love you guys, man. Thank you so much for supporting us. Peace.